What the heck is all of this? Ooh, slippy. Sorry, off. It's slippery out here. Trying to get to the pit. There was no snow at my house. As you know, I am a mom, a wife, a business owner, and currently my only full-time employee. So life can get pretty busy. Between work, family, and everything that comes with running a household, my schedule fills up very fast. But no matter how busy things get, I'm always looking for ways to save money and fill my family's bellies with good, wholesome meals and snacks. And that's actually why Thrive Market has been such a lifesaver for me. A couple of my favorite items from Thrive Market are the Crown Prince anchovy paste, because we love fresh, authentic Caesar dressing in our house. The Noble Made barbecue sauce with less sugar. It goes great with everything. And of course, Remy's favorite, the Good Company Crisp. You know, the mini cans? Definitely his favorite. I even did a price comparison on a few of my everyday staples, and Thrive Market came out more affordable than my local grocery store. On top of that, they offer free shipping on orders over $49, which makes it even easier to stock up on things we use most. And honestly, the convenience alone is huge for me. There are no store lines, no tipping, and no surprise fees at checkout. I love knowing exactly what I'm spending, and being able to shop from home means I get a little bit of time back in my day. And if you're like me, trying to balance a busy life while still feeding your family well, it really helps to have something like this that simplifies the process. Your annual membership is risk-free. You can cancel in the first 30 days for a full refund. So if you want to check it out for yourself, click the link in my description box below or go to thrivemarket.com/DominiqueYT to receive 30% off your first order and a free gift when you join Thrive Market today. And thank you to Thrive Market for sponsoring this video. We're actually really clean. We've got a tiny bit in the trailer here, and then nothing in the truck. I already wiped the reach off. Looks like we're good to go. I just went slow until I saw that he was actually putting dirt in there. So I'll get loaded with this and head back to the snow. It's been a good day so far though. Gonna keep on trucking and keep doing what we're doing. Get these boxes up, make sure that they're clean, clean my reach, and call it good. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, my left hand slipped. That was scary. We made it. On the ground. Safe. All right, guys, well, I've made it home after a long day of driving in the snow and then not driving in the snow and then driving in the snow again. It was a good day, but it was definitely different than normal because we almost never do that. Thank you guys for coming along with me. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. And if you're interested, click the link below and check out Thrive Market. And of course, I will see you next time.